Hello, my viewers, my subscribers. Today I want to talk about another critical ingredient of success, and this I call it goal setting. You see, it's like a match. When the players are playing, the spectators are so much interested in the person who is shooting at goals. If you are that kind of a person who is not shooting goals, who doesn't have even goals to shoot at, you are boring the world. You are boring the spectators. They will run away from you. They will not give you any kind of support. But you imagine if someone is playing and is shooting goals, he normally gets support of every kind. Comments, people want to interact, people want to throw words at him in order to, they also become part of the game. So if you don't have goals to shoot at, you are boring the world, and the world is going to run away from you. But the biggest question here to answer is how does one set goals? And now, this is how to set goals. When you are setting goals, you need to have a clear picture of the kind of future you want. But you are going to get a pen and paper and write down. You see, goal setting is not to operate on thought. You must operate on document. And once you practice this, goal setting is not going to be one of your problems. How do you begin? You begin by asking yourself a simple question, but that what do I want to accomplish within 10 years? And you're going to make a long list of them. Just make a long list of them, maybe to guide you. You think in terms of what do I want to see within 10 years? What do I want to have within 10 years? What do I want to become? What do I want to see? And what do I want to become? Such questions, when you ask such questions, you will answer that question correctly about what you want to accomplish within 10 years. And when you have, write down everything that comes into your mind, and make sure you write as many as possible. Then after writing down those points, I want you to do another step. The second step is you are going to write down the number of years you think you will have accomplished that goal you have written down. You write, if it is 1 year, that within a year you have accomplished that goal, then you write 1. If it is 3 years, you write 3. If it is 5 years, you write 5. And if it is 10 years, you write 10 years. And after finishing that thing, I want you to revise what you have been doing. And after revising, you're gonna make a summary, a clear summary of every category. Those belonging to 1 year, you write. Those belonging to 2 years, to 3 years, you write. And those belonging to 5 years period and 10 years period, you write 4 categories. And after writing those 4 categories, I want you to choose according to how you feel you want to achieve those goals. You prioritize from each category, and you prioritize 4 goals that you feel they are the best for you to achieve as fast as possible. And now you'll have 16 goals on paper. After having those 16 goals on paper, you're going to do a step number 3, and this is a very important step. For each goal that appears on your previous list, number 1, you're going to describe in detail about that goal. For instance, if it is an object, you're going to describe how high, how long, what color, what model, every detail. You put it down. You describe what you want it to appear, the kind of picture you want to have about that goal. which you have selected. And then that is the first paragraph. Then in the second paragraph, I want you to write down the reason why you want to achieve that thing. And this is very important. If you cannot find a clear, a good, a positive reason as to why you want to achieve that goal, I want you to cross that goal out. It is a whim. You cannot achieve it. Without a good reason behind, you cannot achieve that goal. So it is a whim. Maybe you find another goal to replace that one. And when you do that, and you get 4 goals in each category, that's fine. I congratulate you. It is not easy to reach that. It will be a bigger step for you. Probably if you have something to celebrate in a cheaper way, in a possible way, you can celebrate that achievement. And now, after you have selected the 16 goals, you are going to get them. You write them in your journal. A journal is a day-to-day notebook where you write your things that you meet in a day, day after day. You write them down in a good handwriting, please, and you make sure you read through them early in the morning and late in the evening when you're retiring to sleep. And you make sure you analyze yourself if you are making the possible steps towards achieving those goals. And if not, you have to answer why. You make sure you are working towards their achievement, towards their attainment. And possibly, this is also very important for you to note. Everything you tick that you have achieved fully, please celebrate that achievement. And everything you feel you have not achieved the way you should have achieved, penalize yourself. You see, we grow from 2 kinds of experiences. The experience of winning, that joy you get, and the experience of pain at losing. You find losing very painful for you, and these 2 kinds of experiences will help you to attract that kind of future you want. You see, these goals, they are very important. On the very moment you decide to undertake these goals, please, everything is going to change. And it is like a captain with his ship in the mid-ocean. Every time he decides to turn to a new direction, he changes the destination. So your destination, your future destination after the 10 years is going to be very colorful. It's going to be very beautiful for you. So my subscribers, I know this thing is not something easy, because it is energy demanding, it is thought demanding, it is time demanding. But if you are that kind of a person who always say, I don't have time, I don't have that energy, you expect a future that is not so attractive to you, the future you don't desire, then you'll meet with the catastrophes, misfortunes that you never expected. But if you're that kind of a person who minds to do that exercise, it will help your life to become very successful. So my viewers, my subscribers, I want you to share this knowledge, encourage your friends to subscribe so that our channel can grow. Thank you, thank you, thank you.